If I were to send the final letter to someone, anyone at the very end, who would I write to? And what words would I even leave behind? The first face that came to mind was yours, but I pictured your troubled smile, and I quietly pulled my hand back. There are those who set out on their journey without ever leaving a single word behind. Will a message ever find its way to them? I want it to, yet I fear it might. How can we fight when we don't even know each other's tongue? When shared words fail to reach as they do every single day. Sense. There is a warmth we can share, a pulse of heat. There is a gaze we can exchange that understands everything.